ministers. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful and I'll be happy to break my fast.
हमें तो पहले दिन से पता था, कल डील कर रहे थे आप सरकार के साथ। अन्ना पार्ट 2, 12 साल अन्ना खामोश हो गए, अब वांगचुक साहब खामोश रहेंगे। ये कुछ नहीं है इसके अलावा। हमें तो पहले दिन से पता था, कल डील कर रहे थे आप सरकार के साथ। ये अन्ना पार्ट 2, 12 साल अन्ना खामोश हो गए, अब वांगचुक साहब खामोश रहेंगे। ये कुछ नहीं है इसके अलावा। हमें तो पहले दिन से पता था, कल डील कर रहे थे आप सरकार के साथ। कोई छात्र भी था क्या वहां? सारे लद्दाख के लोग थे। आपकी अपनी डील हो रही है, आपने अपना डील करी है, इसके अलावा क्या है सरकार के साथ?
Congress has crossed all limits. The manner in which they have insulted Sonam Wangchuk ji. Rahul Gandhi never went to Sonam Wangchuk. He was out for vacation for 21 days, never cared about students or their protests. Today, when government has spoken to protesters, spoken to Sonam Wangchuk, ended his fast, acceded to his demand that there should be charcha in parliament, Rahul is running away from the charcha and he is getting his MPs to abuse Sonam Wangchuk. They are already very upset because they are not getting credit. They are abusing Aam Aadmi Party, Samajwadi Party. They are all fighting for credit, not for the students. On the other hand, Prime Minister is committed to the cause of students. He has been the one who has been constantly fighting for them. Fast track courts, anti-copying law, ensuring NEET exam was carried out properly, action in the education ministry. But look at the Congress party. In their own states, papers are leaked. They don't even sack a chaprasi. They don't take any action. They brazen it out. And now they are abusing Sonam Wangchuk. They're insulting him. Why? Because they want credit. It's a ladai of credit, not ladai of pupils and students.
Registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar.
Just a minute, sir. Sorry, please don't do this. One camera is enough.
One camera is enough.
Cannot do this. No. Please. अच्छा चिक ना please.
वीडियो देखेंगे फोटो
वीडियो
You are in video. Can't
Sorry.
don't cover each other's cameras.
So a statement from the government side. Government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and those participating in the march to the Parliament on July 20, 2026. The government has already assured threadbare discussions to find solutions to paper leaks and educational reforms for exams in the Parliament. Besides